So Innovative Tools is the name of a company, and they make a lot of things for body work, body detailing, the vehicle industry. And they've made a Superstand bumper paint stand. Now, this is basically a roll-around paint stand to put body parts on. And when you're looking...
Auto body parts. Just saying.
Good point. So, and in particular, when you take bumper covers off any of today's vehicles, most all of them besides trucks, but even some of them have them, they have a plastic or some sort of plastic bumper cover on typically the front and the rear. When you pull these things off, it's just a big flimsy mess. So trying to put those on a standard scissor style stand or even sawhorse or something like that is almost impossible. In fact, took it out to Robby's auto body restoration, and they typically are specialized in classic and muscle car restorations, but they do some collision repair as well as far as light work for some used car lots and that sort of thing, which a lot of times is around bumper covers and fixing them. And even putting new ones on, you get those that are in primer and you have to paint them. Well, sanding on those and everything, you have to stabilize them. This stand, this Superstand bumper paint stand, actually is a really neat roll-around stand that has these arms that just with undoing some thumb screws, go out to whatever area you need with clamps on it. And literally we took a bumper cover, we put it on the stand, and within seconds it was on there. And very easy to manipulate it. And the cool thing about Innovative is they've thought down the road as well, because you're going to be painting on this a lot, and so you're going to get overspray on lots of things. All the threads on their different thumb screws and where they adjust are covered in these long rubber boots. So none of that is going to get caked up with paint, so this thing's going to last a long time for you. So there's some ingenuity that was thought of in this and when they were building this. It's like $318 for the stand, so it's not super cheap, but at the same time should last you a long time, and it does seem to be made with some good quality ideas as well as nice and sturdy as well. So yeah, great tool. Again, it's the Innovative Tools Superstand bumper paint stand.